Hi viewers, it's your boy Michael Brown Comedy. Today is free bottle challenge. I want to explain how the game is going. The game is when you play the game and you now win. First of all, you put your hand in this powder. Cover the person's face. The person, you go and sit down, sit down. Now choose anything that you want to eat. Choose one and eat. Are you good to go?
Yes.
You are good to go. Hey, stand. You don't fail. Be serious and play this game.
Thank you. No, man, you not touch the table.
Be serious.
You not touch table. You touch table.
Stand there. No, go this way.
This one go come out. I be go still stand
Hey!
Hey, guys, sit down. You come back here and sit down.
Hey!
Carry powder. Rub this man. Show your face. Go and collect meat.
No, I'm
on the line now.
Hey! I never chop chicken. No. God, I never chop chicken since this year. I beg, favor.
Once again. Hey!
Oh, you won't cheat me.
Hey! Rub this guy powder.
Hey! Oh, my black.
Hey, yeah? Hey! Rub and powder. Like that. Leave my line. Go to your line. Leave my line. Powder. Go chop your meat. Hey! Chile, come back. Okay, come back now. Rub and powder.
No, not this one.
But this one. Because
No.
Chile, na him fell am. Rub and powder. Two people don't win.
No, quarter.
Now let me know. Then nobody asks you to go anywhere until another person fails.
Chima.
Why don't we go? No, you go see the powder.
Now, hey, come to the line. You don't want Dawaka only another. Now, so be serious. Hey, rubber powder. Come here, rubber powder. Okay, go and gather alive. Gather alive.
Aku ya manu. Ewe be ku yan tatara ba.
Hey! Come here, rub and powder. Okay, come back. Baleba.
This man again.
Come back, enter line sharp. You know to face something. Hey! Rub and powder. Hey, my friend, this is game.
Well, I can't body face.
Go back. Give a better.
To go.
Line. Hey, we and this guy again. Go back. Go back. Rub and powder. Not every no. Be serious. We are doing something. Stand your former. Now play again. You play again.
Okay.
Go back. Hey, come stand. Now you. There. Other else, don't come out online. Come back your. No, not straight. Follow your meat. Stay where you are.